Chronicles of Cloudy and Thunder, Episode 21, Blizzard's Bossy Birthday. Hey Thunder, I got today's mail. Anything important? Well, this says read me now. You look surprised. What's up? It's an invite. To what? Blizzard invited us to her birthday party this Saturday. Oh, yippee. Every year when Blizzard has a party, she's so bossy. You got that right. Do we have to go? She'll berate us for the rest of the year if we don't, so I guess we have to. You're right. Well, I guess it's time to look for a present. On the Saturday morning. Where are they? They were a whole 3 minutes late. Finally! What took you so long? Girlie, chill. We're 3 minutes late. You're supposed to be early. You have to show up to my parties early, not late. Shut up. Whatevs. Just come in. The party's about to begin. In here, girls. Hi, Cloudy. Hi, Thunder. Hi, Everest. Sup, kid? Anyways, what you think of my wonderful decor? It's nice. Where's everyone else? What do you mean? Where's your friends and stuff? Don't you have friends? Of course I have friends. Tons, actually. They're just busy today. She's lying. Shut up, Everest! Got him. Let's just go to the first activity. It's time for the first activity. I don't know what to put here. So I was thinking we start off with a fun party game. Musical chairs! That sounds fun. Duh, it was my idea. Start the music! So pretend there's music here. Music stops. I'm gonna get a chair. You're out, Cloudy. Fine, I'll take the loss. Another step forward to winning. I got this in the bag. Not if I win. In your dreams, bro. I played another round in Thunder lost because I'm lazy. Well. It's just you and me, Everest. You should just give up. You know I'll win. We'll see about that. Go, Everest. Ugh. Anyways. Music. Again, pretend there's music. Music stops. Go, Everest! Go! Woo! I win! No! I'm supposed to win! Dude, chill out. He won. Get over it. Excuse you? I'm the birthday girl. I'm supposed to win. Shut up, you crybaby. You know what? Let's just cut the cake. Ooh, cake! So they got the cake set up. Okay, everyone. You know what to do. Ugh, sing happy birthday? No, thank you. Do it or show y'all this. Fine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Blizzard! Happy birthday to you! And many more! That wasn't good. Do it again. No! Fine. After they ate the cake... So, Cloudy, I saw you brought a present with you. Let me see it. Alright, let me go get it. Better be a good gift. You rarely like anything everyone has ever given to you. Shut your mouth, Thunder. Here you go. Huh? So, do you like? No. And why not? You're so cheap. I was hoping for something more expensive. Girl, those are $40. Yeah, exactly. You're so ungrateful. You guys complain at my birthday parties every year. Because you're a brat every year. So even know why I invited you guys. You know our party's canceled. Get out. Sorry about my sister. No, it's not your fault, little dude. Yeah, it's not your fault your sister is the biggest brat on planet Earth. You're funny. And annoying. You shut up.